So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on Blackview A90. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and from here begin a search for an app. Enter notify body, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process will be completed, our app will appear as open. From here, we'll need to grant the app two permissions, and the first one is overlay. Click on the grant. From here, locate the app. It's right here for me. Let's allow display over the other apps. Go back, notification permission, find notify body, allow notification access, and then allow. Now let's go back, and here's battery optimization, and you can disable it, but it's optional, so unless the app doesn't work properly, don't disable it. Now let's move to the next stage, and from here we can start using our app. Here there will be 4 tabs, and the first one is user. You can select the apps to get custom LED lamp notifications right here. So let's pick, for example, Call of Duty. In the system you'll be able to find all system apps, and in the active you'll find all apps that you've just activated. In the settings you'll be able to customize your LED lamp. You can change its time between blinking, color, size, shape, place on the screen. Now after everything is set, let's click on the test button and you'll be able to see your LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.